Now, from the Bay Area's local news station, you're watching the KRON 4 Morning News at 9.
Many of you will be barbecuing this weekend for the 4th of July, and it likely won't be your last time at the grill this summer. Hot dogs and hamburgers likely on the menu, but if you're looking to change things up a bit this summer, a shortcut might be appreciated. Here to give us a scoop on some easier, healthier grilling options is lifestyle expert Christine Lusita. Christine, you know, some of the options we're talking about are food subscription services. I know Freshly is the first one. I've heard of it before. Talk to me about why you like this one.
I love anything that is heat and eat and anything that could make cooking and mealtime easier. So Freshly nailed it. Exactly. They are a chef-prepared delivery service. They're most known for their single serving size. And now they just launched this multi-side ready-to-heat items, which is better for you macaroni and cheese. It's made with gluten-free. It's got butternut squash. They also have cauliflower mash, which is amazing. And they also launched their ready-to-eat protein side. So this is steak, chicken. They've got meatballs. And listen, anything you can just mix and match for easy recipes that make your barbecue so much easier. They all heat up really easily on the grill or in the oven. And listen, some summer comfort food just got upgraded and easy.
Usually these subscription boxes give you deals on your first order. Does Freshly do that?
You know, that's a really good question. I would head over to freshly.com and check it out. They always have something amazing going on. This is a large company. It's nationwide. You can find this really, you know, anywhere online. And I would say definitely check that. I should have checked that for you, Noelle. Thank you.
That's okay. That's okay. I feel like I get
little. Want a deal, right?
I feel like I get little coupons in the mail that say, you know, $30 off your first purchase or your first, you know, order. So that is definitely something people should check out. You know, if you like grilled fish, there's a California-based company you are talking to us about today, Pure Fish Grill Box.
Exactly. They are an amazing California-based company. They are sustainable quality that delivers fine dine quality fish right to your front door. This is so awesome. So this is from their brand new grill box. They have deboned rosé snapper. They've got striped bass, salmon hot dogs, cobia, Caribbean cobia burgers. They've got tuna. And look how cool this is. So no fishiness, no mess. They deliver everything center cut and on this 100% recyclable tray. So you can cook on this on the grill safely. You can throw it in the oven. It's all safe. But here's one of the best parts about this. They offer many other boxes. They do have free shipping, Noelle. This I do know on here. But here's the so cool. Check this out. So on the back of the label is the QR code. And if you scan this, you get to meet my fisherman and farmer, and you can read on that specific piece of fish. And this company is really invested in the environment, a great sustainable company, and again, makes outdoor grilling and entertaining so much easier.
Well, I think that that's really cool. I know a lot of people really interested to always know exactly where their fish or exactly where their meat is coming from, so they make it pretty easy.
Exactly. Anything that's easier is a thumbs up in my book.
Okay, those of us who are plant-based, you're suggesting people try Sweet Earth Foods. I've never heard of them. Is that another kind of subscription?
Yeah, they are an innovative company. They're actually they're plant-based protein company in Monterey, so they're really local. So this is part of their new line. This is from their Mindful Chicken Strips, which is, again, another ready to eat. You'll see my theme here, anything easier. But this is one of my favorites because it's their shredded seasoned chicken, and it's marinated in this classic carne asada style marinade. So it's super savory. It's all of their products have 13 grams of protein and at least 4 grams of fiber. So as a nutritionist, this gets a total thumbs up for me. You can see you can pair it with your salads or pastas, even breakfast foods. They've got sausage, and this is not to be overlooked. This is Sweet Earth's awesome burger. Now, their burger is, again, plant-based. It satisfies all the cravings for meaty, juicy taste of a traditional burger while providing all of that plant-based nutrition. Total A+, and it's the perfect swap for your all-American classic burger. I love this so much. This is really food innovation at its best. And I didn't know of this either. And you can actually get this. I discovered it at Whole Foods. You can get it at Sprouts. Awesome.
Well, that's good. So if you are, you know, late last minute shopping for 4th of July, you can definitely go to the store and pick something like that up from them. I know that one thing we like to do is incorporate the sweets. We like desserts a little bit. You're really into Popcornopolis this summer.
I am, no, not a little. I'm obsessed with Popcornopolis because, first of all, popcorn's an easy, shareable snack, which is amazing. I love anything that's got clean ingredients. They're gluten-free. They're made with non-GMO corn. They use real ingredients like honey, like cocoa, cheese, and caramel. But what is so exciting is that they just recently launched 5 new delicious flavors. They've got double drizzle chocolate. They've got caramel and kettle, honey butter, caramel and cheese, which is my personal favorite. We have went through way too many bags to tell you about here today. But what's also cool is they have this resealable bag for the ultimate freshness, so you can save it. They got super fancy for summer. This is their Americorn red, white, and blue creamy caramel obsessed. But here's the kicker. You must have this on your barbecue. This is their fried pickle and ranch to die for, to say the least. So you can get all of this on their website. But this bag is at Sam's Club or Sam's Club online. But this is, again, easy, done, delicious. I'm obsessed. I love, like I said, we can't keep these in the house.
I love Americorn. I think that's a really cute little name they created. Very, very fun. And of course, you know, 4th of July, beyond 4th of July, even when people are having grilling and barbecuing people over, you wanna have a drink on hand, and you are making some mezcal amaras.
Yes, exactly. We want to have a nice, healthy summer cocktail without all the sugar, calories, and consequences. And so problem solved right here. Yes, this is mezcal amaras. Now, you've all heard of tequila. And today we're going to use another spirit made from agave, which is this mezcal. This brand only makes organic agave. So again, another sustainable company. You know, they really care about the environment, which is super exciting to all of us. But here's the taste changer, Noelle. This has a little bit of smokiness and a ripe peach. So I have paired it with a cold pressed juice, so you get all the nutrients of summer fruit and without all the added sugar and calories. Listen, as a nutritionist for 20 years, I'm always looking for a way to indulge without all the consequences, and they nailed it. But what's very cool about this company as well, they've got this mantra, which is from seed to sip. But for every one plant that they harvest, they plant 10 agave plants, which is amazing. And I've never tried this before until I was at a party a couple of weeks ago, and someone gave this to me, and I'm like, new favorite. And let me show you this bottle, because what's really neat is they have like all these different labels, so you'll never have the same bottle again. And I like anything that just
nice little collectors,
a little fresh and interesting.
Nice little collector's item there. And I know you can get those at Bevmo.
Yeah, exactly. You can get this at Bevmo. And there is a place called Tohono Mercado that's up in the Bay Area, so they also have it there as well.
Christine, thank you so much. You're getting us barbecue grilling ready for the summer. Appreciate it.
Happy 4th.
Happy 4th of July. We'll be right back.